Right there, ladies and gents, how's it going? I'm out on the Tuareg, just briefly. I just thought I'd hit a couple of easy lanes. Don't even know if I'm going to do two, might just be this one. It's a reasonably long one, but dead simple. I'm out by myself, and yeah, I just wanted to get out and about, enjoy the motorcycles on a day like today.
Keep that butt, rubber side down.
I thought because this one is quite a relatively simple one, it's pretty straight, that it would be worth getting the Insta360 out on its big old stick. Have some fun with that camera. I've not used it for ages. I do very much love the camera, but I don't like risking it too much off-road, and there's not many lanes like this one where I can have it extended to make the maximum use of its invisible selfie stick malarkey. It's a glorious, glorious part of the country. This is just along from Brighton. Apparently this is an old coach road. We come down here with Phil 480, Big Pezza, and another chap who I met through the TRF, I think it was. On a foray into East Sussex. Unfortunately, Phil 480 didn't make it to the end of this lane before he came a cropper, which was a real shame. And he's not ridden off-road since, although he does plan on getting back into it again this year. Now he's all recovered. I think he's still got some issues with his knee. Yeah, it's the trouble with this game. It can quite easily go wrong quite quickly, and almost unfairly easily in simple things causing it, if you know what I mean. But such is life, and that is motorcycling, I'm afraid, as a whole, but more so when the terrain is a bit bumpy and slippery. Those of you that know me know that I'm not a hell for leather kind of rider, certainly not in the dirt. I haven't got the skills for that, but I do very much love getting out and about and exploring. And I do like going through puddles. There's a child in me. Oh, this one's a big one. Not deep though. Oh. Well, I haven't really got a subject. I'm just riding, and it's probably only going to be just this lane that we record. So I hope you enjoy this. Hope you enjoy this little short video. I don't do them YouTube shorts, although I might edit something from this into one, or for Instagram Reels or something like that. I don't really like them as a format. But with everyone having a short attention span, no one really wants to watch my 30-40 minute videos. Don't blame them. But it would be nice if I could get people to that are not subscribers to watch my content a bit more. You lot, you lovely lot, my subscribers, my loyal fan base, you're all amazing. Whee! Super splashy. I'm glad that 360 camera's waterproof. So good getting some air in your lungs. I've tried for the last 2 days to record a vlog. I went out riding both days, and I just couldn't get any form of flow from it. It all felt forced, and they don't make for very good videos. So I binned both of them. So today is just a random come along with me type thing with no particular subject. I'll try and talk about the things I was talking about them on another video when I can get it to flow better. I am testing out my low seat at the moment on this Aprilia. That was soggy. I am testing out the low seat on the Aprilia, and yeah, it's low. I'll give it that. I think they label it comfort seat low. What they really should do is label it low comfort seat because it's not very comfy. Oh man, this is really soggy. Oh, I hope that Insta360 camera is okay. Brilliant. Now I think this is possibly it. I think it's possibly it. Let's look at my macarooni. Oh man, it is proper blowing a hoolie. It is really, really windy here. Coming straight across the downs from over there. And it's pretty chilly too. It's only about 6 or 7 degrees, I think. Yeah, all good fun, all good fun. But yeah, it doesn't bode well for a long ride out on the lanes. Not by yourself, not by yourself. Oh, I'm glad I shut my eyes there. Oh, proper splooshy. There we go, nice. Just met another couple of trail riders. They followed up behind me. So it was nice to have a little natter with them. I told them I had a channel, but I don't know whether they'll find me or not. Don't know whether they'll find this video anyway. But yeah, it was nice to have a little natter with them. They were on enduro bikes, so obviously going out for a proper play. Unlike me, just doing a nice, simple, easy peasy one today. But look at this, it's beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful. Might only be a gravel lane mainly here, rather than proper dirt, but even so, it's such a pretty environment on the South Downs along here. Such a pretty environment. The mounting technique I'm using for my Insta360 1X2, what a mouthful that is, slidey, is something I picked up from watching Jake the Garden Snakes content. It's just like using a double clamping system, using ram mounts almost in reverse to clamp it all together and stuff. So I'm hoping that it's nice and stable, far more stable than when I do like just a single clamping thing with the selfie stick bouncing about all over the place. But it'll be interesting to see how it comes out. I hope it's all usable. That's the thing with the 360 cameras, when the lens gets wet, it really distorts everything quite badly. So it's hard to know if the footage you get when you're splashing through big puddles like we've been doing today are conducive to footage. But we'll find out, won't we? You'll already know, you'll be watching that and go, what the hell are you on about? Ah, proper pucker, proper pucker. It's a nice little cottage there, isn't it? Before I set off, there was a big old digger as well as a horse coming the other way, so I waited for them to get past me and stuff. I don't know whether they'll be coming back again. Hopefully the digger won't. Obviously the horse will at some point, unless it was already on its way back. So I do want to keep my pace down, not just because I'm not very fast, but also because we could run into that horse. Stop looking down, you know that doesn't help. I've just realised I'm in explore mode still. I haven't switched to off-road mode, so we've still got ABS on at the back and all the traction control. Yeah, I probably should have switched to the off-road mode, but it's a gravel track anyway, a dirt track rather than proper off-roady mud stuff, so not a problem. Well, I do hope that you're all able to get out and about on your bikes, those of you that do this time of year. With all the grotty weather, it is very hard to find a motivation to get out on the bikes. For me it's easier because of the dirtiness. I like this more challenging rain-fueled and mudfest with these bikes. Is kind of the appeal for me. But those of you that ride tarmac only, it's not very exciting, is it? And not a very nice prospect to be going out in pouring down rain on wet tarmac, covered in salt half of the time. So yeah, I do hope that you're finding some nice days to go and play bikes. Anyway, that's pretty much it, you know. This lane is as good as done. I'm not going to keep going up and down it, it's a bit inconsiderate to do that, but going there and back doesn't hurt, does it, eh? Anyhow, if you enjoyed this video and you haven't done so already, do click that subscribe button. I normally put videos out with a little bit more substance than this, sometimes too much. Various motorcycles on the channel. I've got this Aprilia Tuareg 660, I've got a Beta 390 Enduro bike, and I've also got a Moto Guzzi V7, a GSX R750 and a Honda CB100N currently. So you might find there's all sorts of content that you might enjoy. Anyhow, please click that thumbs up if you like the video, give it a little thumbs down if you didn't, and if you do, drop in a comment. Do drop in a comment, I love hearing from you all. Anyhow, you ride safe, take care, and we shall catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Keep that rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bike rubber side down.